Pre-tension guy strand with appropriate equipment. Be sure to place the tension device high enough on the guy strand to permit installation of the rod subsets. Remove the 2 jam nuts and 2 load nuts from the ends of the U-bolt and move the spacer bar to one side of the U-bolt to permit installation. Reinstall and secure the spacer bar. If the guy strand is too long and is to be cut off, the cutoff point may be determined by sliding the socket onto the U-bolt to the desired location, then marking the guy strand. Be sure to allow enough strand to extend at least 2 inches beyond the end of the wedges. Slide the socket up the guy strand with the larger opening pointing towards the U-bolt. The socket can be secured out of the way temporarily. Position the 2 wedge halves around the guy strand at least 2 inches from the end. Start the first rod subset by placing the color-coded end on the wedge. Allow the ends of the rod subset to extend approximately a 1/4 inch beyond the end of the wedge. Wrap the rod subset onto the guy strand. Note that the subset holds the wedges on the strand. Complete the installation of rod subsets. Be sure that the ends are snapped onto the guy strand. Note that the formed ends spread symmetrically over the wedge. Slide the socket down onto the wedge and onto the U-bolt. Tension to desired load by alternately tightening each load nut so that the socket is lined up square on the U-bolt. To ensure guy efficiency, normal working tension should be at least 10% of the rated strength of the adjuster grip at the time of tower erection. After the desired tension is attained, tighten all jam nuts. This completes the installation if the tower height is less than 200 feet. For towers 200 feet and taller, a servicing sleeve must be used on rod subset ends.